Hi everyone, I recently got this new shelf, so I was doing some thinking, which I occasionally do, and I thought I'm gonna make a Monster High cafe, but with packaging, because I have so much packaging that I don't want to throw away, because I don't know, I just feel like there's some use for them. And they make some pretty good backdrops. But I can't have our cafe with a floor like this. I got this paper from the Dollar Tree, and I think it works pretty good. I used 2 pieces of paper for the floor, and for our walls, I'm going to use packaging. The back of the box is pretty cute, so I'm actually going to cut it so I can have a nice little poster. I'm cutting it very carefully because I don't want the cardboard to be jagged. I trimmed off the edges a little bit off camera. If you want, you can trim the part where it has the barcode and everything, but I'm just gonna keep it. Now I'm gonna add some double-sided tape to the back so I can stick it to my wall. I'm gonna stick some double-sided tape on the back. Make it really on there so that it doesn't fall off the wall. Double-sided tape is really strong though, but I just like to be extra careful. Now I'm just peeling off that layer, and let's go find a place on the wall. I put it on my wall next to all my other Monster High posters. Now back to the cafe. I placed my packaging on the wall, and now, well, we have this. But what about the other stuff in the cafe? I mean, this just looks like a regular room. Of course, we need a place where the ghouls can take their orders. But how? I have this pencil holder, and I think it matches the walls pretty well. This is Deuce from the Coffee Break playset. He's dressed in his coffee break outfit because he works here. He has a super cool snake hairstyle, these neon yellow glasses so that he doesn't turn you into stone. This hoodie with snakes on it, it goes in an ombre from violet to orange, and it has short-sleeved black fishnets. He has his little apron. It says Coffin Bean, and it's teal. His pants sort of remind me of snakeskin. They're two-toned black and white pants, and he has these neon yellow shoes with these silver wings on them. Deuce comes with this coffin-shaped cash register, and it says pick up for Frankie. I thought we could use this for the table. I also added this cube that comes from Rainbow High packaging. It has the shoes inside originally, but I'm gonna use it here so that we have a little place for the ghouls to pick up their order. Speaking of which, whose order is this? This is Frankie. They're here to pick up their order. Frankie comes dressed in a nice plaid leather jacket with a matching plaid leather tube top, and to layer it with a nice collared shirt and a neon yellow tie. They also have these black leather biker shorts and a chain belt that says Frankie. Their shoes are these pink boots on the left leg that says Volt, Bolt, Zap, Zip. And on the other leg, they have these shorter boots that have a lightning bolt on them that shows off their prosthetic leg. They have a side part with this silver lightning bolt hair clip, and their hair is white with black streaks, and I think there's a little bit of blue. Yeah. They have these bolt earrings. And for their makeup look, they have these bubblegum pink lips. On their right eye, they have blue eyeshadow on their eyelid and yellow on their under eye. On the left side, they have pink eyeshadow on their eyelid and yellow eyeshadow on the under eye. For their bag, they have these yellow, blue, and pink lightning bolts, and it looks like there's a charging cable on it. That's really cute. It's painted silver and it's kind of rubbery. They also have an eyebrow piercing. I almost forgot about the pets. Looks like Watsy, Frankie's pet, ordered a drink too. Deuce's pet is rocking this magenta mohawk and this green snake motorcycle. Oop. The pet's motorcycle says Coffin Bean, which is the name of the cafe, and you can actually open it to put food inside. Ta-da! Frankie's pet is a dog Frankenbeast. They have neon yellow bangs, neon yellow eyeshadow on the left eye. It is colored silver. The eyes are purple on the right eye and silver on the left eye. I want to add a little something to the floor. I gathered these from packaging and I'm going to place them on the floor for just a little something extra. I think this gives the room a little bit more pizzazz. I also got this from packaging and I'm just going to add it here with a little bit of double-sided tape. I apply some double-sided tape to the back and now I'm just going to stick it on there. Just like so. But where are these ghouls gonna sit? I got these chairs from the Dollar Tree. They're supposed to be phone holders, but I think they work well as chairs. Here's Frankie and Draculaura sitting in the chairs. I think they look pretty cute. But there's something missing. I think something needs to go here. I have this empty candle, and I think we can use it for a nice coffee table. It's good like this, but I'm gonna add a shadow high or rainbow high stand just so that it's a little something extra. It's looking pretty good so far, but it needs some lighting. I got these fairy lights from the Dollar Tree and I think they really make the room stand out more. I got this from Doll Packaging and I'm just gonna put it right here. Pretty good. Now we just need some props. I want to make a place for the pets to sit. I have this cardboard lid and I'm just going to take some double-sided tape and attach it right here. I put the double-sided tape on and now I'm just gonna... Okay, I'm kind of obsessed with this. I just think it looks really cute. It's a little shelf for the pets. Draculaura is drinking her boba and Frankie is drinking their Zappuccino. Deuce's pet is bringing Watsy, Frankie's pet, their drink. And Deuce just finished making this cup snake and drink for Claudine. We did a lot of things today. We made a poster, reviewed some dolls, made a shelf for the pets, and we made a Monster High cafe. Thank you for watching!